So I started a new nighttime and daytime routine. And if you're over 40, you know that your skin starts to change, right? A lot of us with perimenopause, it starts to get really dry. My skin, so dry. But my skin has always been on the dry side, so it got even worse. But the simple thing I do to remove makeup is actually Vaseline. And my friend told me about this, and it's like the go-to. I've tried so many, I'm sure you have too, tried so many different makeup removers and they don't really work. But Vaseline works really, really well. See? And then I've started using this company called Be Naturals. It's awesome. It's a 3-part system. So they have their cleanser, and then they have their Hydrate serum, and then the Moisturize. You gotta check this out. I have to say, I've been using this for a few weeks, and so I wanted to test it out first before I shared it to make sure that I actually really liked it. And I really, really like it. I feel like my skin feels great. And then I just take a little bit, like that. I pat dry. And then I take, it says Restore 2. It's Hydrate. And you just take a few, the bottle's glass, which is great. And you just take a few drops, like that. And I just pat it on my face and my neck. So generally, I just do 2 little, so it's probably like maybe 5 drops or something like that. And then you just do the Moisturize as well. It's the same thing. So this kind of is a little bit thicker. The Hydrate doesn't have any kind of scent to it. This has, it actually smells a little bit like honey. It's not sticky like honey at all, even though it is the color of honey. But I have to tell you, if you have dry skin, or if you have aging skin, if you're over 40, this is awesome. It's called Be Naturals. If you want to give it a try, I put the links down below with a discount code. Thanks so much for watching.